What happens when Japanese Kaizen meets Detroit steel? This isn't just a car, it's a $500,000 Samurai on wheels. Samurai blueprints. In Japan, every curve is a ritual. Born from samurai sword harmonics. The Lexus LFA's scream. The LFA's carbon fiber skeleton. Woven in Japan, but stress-tested in Arizona's desert heat. A 10-year obsession, because perfection isn't rushed. But in Detroit, they add American muscle. Detroit's Forge. Detroit doesn't just build, they reinvent. This V8 hybrid, 670 horsepower Japanese tech, but the turbo roar, pure Motown soul. Fun fact, this engine's torque curve mirrors the Detroit River. Flat, relentless, and unstoppable. Even Samurai would bow. The robotic Samurai. Precision isn't just tech, it's philosophy. These robots, programmed in Nagoya, but they dance to Detroit's beat. How precise? The AI corrects paint thickness 0.001 millimeters. That's 1/10 a human hair. Samurai meets Skynet. The unlikely fusion. It's not a car. It's a handshake between Kyoto and Kentucky, where every gear shift bows before it roars. The 2025 Toyota Supra GRMN, a Detroit-built engine wrapped in Kyoto silk. Yes, they're coming for Ferrari. They said East and West couldn't collide. But here, it's not a collision. It's a symphony. So, is it Japanese or American? Wrong question. It's what happens when two cultures refuse to compromise. Like this? Drop a sword emoji if you want a part 2.